Before we leave the service, where I did a dry cleaning of my cruiser here, I want to boast a new thing. These are 3D eco-leather mats. They were made in the company Zeus. This organizer is one of the most useful things for me, so that nothing is lying around, I will put everything there. It has room enough for a fire extinguisher, glass cleaner, pull rubber, and so on. Guys are so fond of their business that before sending, they try mats, and not just make them using patterns and sand. This is Russian production. They're made in Moscow and Vladivostok. They have 8 leather options and 6 carpet options. All mats are tailored and stitched by hand. Bugger me, I didn't even expect such mats to be included in the package. That is, they're instead of woolen mats in your car, only they are not woolen, but rubberized. At the same time, they're very soft. Great. I have goosebumps from what they sent me. I'll leave the link in the description below the video. Order now. I go bail for the quality. Are you doing the same thing as a specialist? Yeah. What's the quality? I'll tell you what, the quality is really pleasant. Because look, usually people pay attention to the fact that when you get in the car in, say, bad weather, right? Then water or anything else, it all can flow somewhere, so to speak. You see them add rubber flanges. Oh yeah, the flanges. Therefore you can be sure that it will not spill out anywhere and you will not have to dry clean the salon again.